Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Weird way to start a video with half my makeup already on, but I am actually running out to do an essential run right now. We just are running out of a few basics, milk, bread, cheese, things of that nature. But I have to go to a drugstore like Walmart, Super Center, whatever. And I couldn't help but to notice that we finally hit 400, so I'm like in the midst of gathering drugstore favorites and shit of that nature for my giveaway. So I'm super excited. I'll get that in a minute. I'm super excited that we're getting to do a giveaway. I'm really excited I found a way to still do a giveaway with Ulta and Sephora's shipping being so off kilter right now. But because I'm in the middle of getting ready and I kind of maybe totally forgot that I needed a video, we're not even going to talk about it. I wanted to show you how I do a super fast, super simple smoky eye. You need 2 shades, like 2 eyeshadow shades, 3 if you want to get serious. But super simple smoky eye. There's something in my eye right now. Anywho, I thought you guys would maybe be interested in seeing this. So without further ado, if you like the video, make sure you give it a thumbs up and let's get into it because this is going to be a super fast video. So you only need 2 shades. You don't have to use the same exact eyeshadows I'm using. It doesn't really matter. Mine are both from Wet n Wild. This is one of their single eyeshadows. This is in the shade Nutty. This is such a weird taupey, dark, shimmery, grayish color. It's very pretty. And then it doesn't really matter what palette you use. This is the Nude Awakening palette from Wet n Wild. You just need one of these darker browns and like literally, let me just show you something amazing. Almost every palette you get has one of these darker browns that you can use. It really doesn't matter. I might not use Nude Awakening, but I'm planning on it. Like seriously, every single palette has one. And if you don't have, for some reason, like a darker mid-tone to dark brown shade, you can just go in with black and use a light hand. And then I'm just gonna use whatever highlight I have on my face. Today it's the Balm's Mary Luminizer. I may or may not have completely forgotten I had this cute little sample, so we're rocking it out. We're gonna use it. Let's get into the video because I've already been talking for too long. So the first thing we're gonna do, I clearly already have on my face makeup. I have on my eyebrows. All I have to do is my eyes and lips now. And I'm gonna take a fluffy crease brush. This just happens to also be by Wet n Wild. I don't know what's happening. And you're gonna take this, load it up with the Nutty shade. And you can see this is just a really pretty, shimmery, it's like the weirdest color. I love it. And you're gonna fluff that all over your eyeball, up into your crease, all over your lid. Just do your damn thing with it. Just smear it everywhere. I've been doing this a lot lately when I go to work. Normally when I work, I just put on mascara and I call it a day, but the past few weeks we've been having to wear a mask and I feel like my eyes just look really boring. Is that weird? I feel like it just, I don't know. I feel like I need an extra kaboom, so I've been doing this. And that's it for that eyeshadow. If you wanted to, you could take a smaller brush or hell, even this brush, and smudge it on your lower lash line. We're not gonna do that today. We're gonna go into a different palette and grab a darker brown. It can be matte, it can be shimmery. It really doesn't matter. I know there's a whole thing about not putting shimmers in your crease. I've never followed that rule, but whatever. So I'm gonna take this and just pounce it on my outer corner. It does not have to be perfect. Kind of make your blots as even as you can. And I just always have a ratty old dish towel in here and I'm just going to swirl my brush around on it and get a lot of that excess product off. And now you just go in and blend all of this together. People tend to get really carried away with how to do a smoky eye, and you need 37 eyeshadows, you need transition shades, you need all of this. But in the basest of how to actually do a smoky eye, you literally need 2 colors. You need a base color and a darker color. That's seriously all you need. While you're blending this out, if you happen to notice that like one eye got more pigmentation on it than the other, I'm just barely tapping my brush into the darker color and going to town. Now my favorite eye shape to do with eyeshadow is a rounded look, a little more blown out, a little rounded, a little how you doing? This is what I feel like most people do like on a daily basis. Most people don't do like a harsh cat eye eyeshadow. People wear cat liner all the time, but I'm in like sharp ass eyeshadow. I feel like not many people do that on the daily. So you can create this in whatever shape you want. Seriously, it's up to you. Like I said, this is the easiest smoky eye that you could probably ever find. So now that we're here, we're gonna go in with a pencil brush. Once again, you can use that big crease brush if you want, but I'm a messy fool and I have to have a smaller brush or I will destroy my face. I'm just gonna load it up with that darker shade. And once again, this isn't really necessary. It's just gonna add a little more depth. I'm just going along my lash line. I'm not smudging it out super low. I'm not doing anything crazy. I'm using eyeshadow basically as what you would normally do a liner with on your lower lash line, just so it's lasting a little longer. You can kind of connect it up to the top if you want. Make sure your eyes are basically even. Yeah, and that's pretty much the whole damn look. I'm gonna take yet again an even tinier brush and my face highlight. Once again, if you have like a nude palette with a base shade, a darker shade, and a highlight shade in it, you're set. This is the Balms Mary Luminizer once again, and I'm just going to pop this on the inner corners and maybe, just maybe, a little bit on the brow bone. You're pretty much done. If you want to bump this up even more for some reason, you can go through and slightly, like just barely smudge some liner onto your top lash line. I'm going to do that just to show you how it would look. This is the Wet n Wild Break Proof Waterproof Retractable Eyeliner, and I accidentally bought mine in black brown, but I've actually kind of been loving it. So like I said, I'm just going to barely smudge this in just a little bit. That's my goal. It's probably gonna end up being, I don't know, thicker than a snicket, but so let's do that. This doesn't have to be perfectly even because we're about to go through and smudgy. And I'm going to take that same smudgy pencil brush and I'm just going to smudge it out a little bit. See, it's all about just layering and adding things. Now, really, the only thing left that you can add to such a simple look is some mascara. I've been layering CoverGirl Exhibitionist mascara. The Taylor Wynn, my girl Tay Tay has been using this a lot, and then this is my all-time holy grail. It's Maybelline Lash Sensational. Let me layer these up very quickly and I'll come back to show you a simple lip option you have. Okay, we're back. How easy was that eye look? This, of course, is not like the world's best smoky eye. This isn't gonna like be something incredible that you do with a lot of skill and like cutting out crease and having a steady hand. This is just a simple, basic, beginner smoky eye. Or if you're like me and you're a little bit more experienced in makeup and you just don't want to use 37 shades on your eye every day. This is a super simple thing, okay? It's not that big a deal. And for your lip, I'm trying to think, what is it called? Oh, it's right there. Right now, I just have on a lip treatment by Wet n Wild. I've been using a lot of Wet n Wild here lately, and I've really started to notice it, and it's very much so bothering me. Anywho, you can just roll with some chapstick situation like I have on right now, but if you want to pop on a little bit of like a, and make your look a little more bumped up, this is by Wet n Wild. It's a liquid catsuit liquid lipstick. These are some of my favorite liquid lipsticks, and this is in the shade Nudist Peach. There you go, we're done. How easy was that? That was so simple, right? Right? I hope this video showed you guys that you don't have to have, I don't know, a $65 palette to achieve a simple smoky daytime eye. You can definitely take some black eyeshadow and bump this up. You just darken out your outer corner, smudge out your liner a little bit more. Hell, you can even smudge it into a cat eye if you wanted to, and change out your lip. I really wanted to show you guys that you could create a simple smoky eye for daytime, or hell, if you're extra, you can, you can wear this all the time. Whatever. I wanted to show you guys that you could do this with cheap products and 2 eyeshadows and whatever face highlight you're using. Do you really even need the face highlight? No, I'm obsessed with highlighting my inner corners and making my eyes look a little bit more open. But that is all I have to say, and I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. I had a lot of fun making it. Once again, keep your eyes peeled, or if you really wanted to, you could ding my little notification bell to be notified every time I upload a new video. But keep your eyes peeled for my giveaway video. It will be coming very soon, and yeah, I'm so excited. We're doing another giveaway. So excited, very proud, very happy. Our little family just keeps getting bigger and bigger. But with that being said, I'm gonna stop rambling and get off of here. I've got to run to Walmart and get all this stuff. And I'm probably gonna hit a drive-thru up and get lunch for the fam bam. I'm not even gonna try to lie to you guys. So I love you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye.